Time for a little movie magic. Boom! Oh, look at that. That big chunk of oak is now cut into a beautiful guitar neck. Well, not beautiful yet, but we're working on it. I took my router and rounded off the edges of the other one, then cut it down the long ways with the table saw. So now I have a really nice fretboard that matches perfectly to my neck. And we'll have to get it cleaned up. Here I've taken that aluminum baking pan and carved holes in there so my neck will fit. Here I'm cutting down my neck so my guitar tuners will fit. Oh, yeah, there we go. That ought to do it. Yeah, that should do it. Yep, just perfect. All right, she's all put together. Let's see if she'll make any noise before I make her look pretty. Yep, she's noisy, all right. I don't recommend working this fast, but you know, movie magic. With the fretboard being made out of the same stock, it really made it easy to go back together. This is a fretless guitar, but because I'm still learning how to play, I needed to know pretty much where the frets were. So I set these screws at the 1st, 3rd, 5th, and 7th fret to give me an idea. I had to change out these bolts later. I found that the strings were just way too high above the fretboard and the basin, so I ended up putting some smaller bolts in, as you'll see here in a little bit. Used tuners at the time seemed like a good idea. However, they kept breaking, so I ended up having to take them back and get more. The guy was really cool about it, but boy, it cost me a lot of time. Now, this style of instrument is a cross between what's called a banjo or a cookie tin guitar. With the bottom being open, it runs more like a banjo, a traditional banjo. Cookie tin guitar, which I'll be making one of those as well, is actually closed at the bottom. This one's open, like a traditional banjo would be. Finally finished with it. Had to make some adjustments, put a smaller bolt in there, here. Different set of strings. But as you can see, she's done. I also put these little pins in here as to keep this top from sliding down. See, they're just cotter keys. Hold them nice and tight. Don't seem to affect the sounding at all. Now I just gotta learn how to play. Well, as usual, God bless you and thank you for watching. Have a great day.